have here a Versed unboxing for you. Did get this box in PR, so thank you so much, Versed. Do have to try these products out for a while and let you know my review. First, we got a very cute little headband. This is so cute. I don't want to mess up my hair right now. So we have here this Guard Up Daily Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 35. Look at that. So the brand Versed, oxide 15.2%, phenol plus moringa seed extract. Packaging. Who's the good? This is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. We lose the bad. No parabens, no silicones, no sulfates, no chemicals, sunscreen, no mineral oil, no PEGs. Oh, love the yellow. Pretty nice size. Looks like. Oh, look at that. It's not like your white sunscreen with it having zinc. That's really cool. Wow, this is like no white cast whatsoever. So we have this Versed Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Moisturizer, Vitamin C Cloudberry Oil. Love the colors, love the colors. So this is made for dullness and dryness. So I have oily skin, so I have to see how this works for me. AM or PM after cleansing and applying serums. No animal testing. We got a moisturizer, let's see. Checking the consistency. Okay, like keep smelling something, I don't know. It smells very different than the sunscreen. There's just something. It's not fragrance again. It's just like I don't know what it is. It does feel really nice. It's making my skin look nice. Really nice. Now this is the Versed Day Maker Micro Crystal Exfoliator. It's microcrystalline and berry leaf extract for dullness and problem skin, and cruelty-free, fragrance-free, dye-free. And it says, I am a pore refining exfoliator. My superfine uniform microcrystals are gentle, safe, and biodegradable. Gently massage your quarter size amount into wet skin for 60 seconds. Rinse thoroughly with cool water and pat dry. AM or PM 1 to 2 times a week. Okay. This is a 3 ounce, by the way. Sorry, I did not tell you. The Weekend Glow Daily Brightening Moisturizer is a 2 ounce. Love, love, love all the information that you get on the packaging. Love all the information that you get on the packaging. Love it. What is it used for? When to use it? How to use it? Ingredients. Put it here. Okay, I definitely feel the exfoliating. Ooh, this is the first thing that I'm like, oh, I love the, well, it says it's not fragrance, but whatever it is, I love whatever it smells like. It smells good. To me, it's like lemongrass or something. This here is the Versed Out of Sight Dark Spot Gel. This is a 0.5 ounce. Back. This is what it looks like. For dullness. How? Apply a thin layer to clean dry skin. Let it sink in for 2 to 3 minutes before applying moisturizer. Alright, so we know, put this first, then our moisturizer. Spot treat targeted areas, AM and PM. Store in a cool, dark place like your fridge. Oh, okay. Love all the different colors. They're so like lively. Makes me happy. Putting some here. See? Alright, this one, I don't smell anything at all. I'm really excited about this microcrystal exfoliator. Cute here, the box said your pores are so happy right now. Mother Earth will be too. Oh my god, guys, I almost forgot. They gave me a discount code for you. If you want to use it, I'll put it right here. I believe it's Jenz BeautyStyle 10. It's not an affiliate code. It's just to save you some money if you would like to use. I'll also put it in the description if you would like to check it out. I'll post everything in the description plus the discount code. I'll keep you updated in my review on these products. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.